create 70 videos in one afternoon. 15 new subs from one short, and I'm gonna show you. I recently discovered a new platform called Opus Clip, which takes my YouTube videos into shorts, and I can repurpose them on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and any other short form platform. I'm gonna take you to the back office as if we're starting from scratch. Let me share my screen. We're gonna connect as if we are starting from scratch. Here I am, and this is exactly what it's gonna look like. You can either drop a video here or choose a file from your computer. In this case, I'm going to go to my YouTube channel and drop this link here. Here's a really cool feature that I want to show you. AI Copilot. Let's say that a video, you don't really want like the beginning 2 minutes. You could totally do that. Okay. I want it to start from 2 all the way to 6. A lot of the current videos that I've been producing have been 10 to 25 minutes. I've recently realized that my shorter videos, like the ones that are 5 to 8 minutes, usually has a little bit less content. And that makes sense because they're shorter videos. But I want these to be 30 seconds for some shorter clips, but I also want some 60-second clips because I do repurpose and I like to put these on YouTube specifically. If you wanted to, you can enter specific keywords to prompt the AI program to look for your voice and words on whatever it is that you type. But for me, I'm okay. I'm going to let it do its thing. It is 9:25. Let's figure out how long this takes. We're still waiting. When you do upgrade to the paid, you can skip the line, but we've been waiting for 4 minutes. 5 minutes later, it is 9:30. While it's doing its thing, I want to show you one area, your brand template. Here's the thing. It's going to come out just like this, green and yellow as a template because, it's catchy. What you're going to do is you're going to figure out your own template, your own colors. Let's say that your colors are blue. That's okay. If you don't want to, if you want to just keep the yellow and green, which it really does pop, then just keep that. Let's say, what do you want? Do you want those 2 to 3 lines? Or do you want just one line? You could put some type of logo on there. I want this to be super prominent. So this is why I'm going to make it exaggerating and excessive. But let's just say I want this as one of my logos or some type of overlay. You could totally do that. Obviously, I don't need to do that, but you see the picture. You're going to be able to pick your favorite font. You can pick from small, medium, or large. I'm excessive, so I like my large fonts. So your font color is exactly what it sounds like, your font. The stroke is the border around it. I would say, honestly, if you're not tech savvy, girlfriend, just keep it simple. Leave the color font, leave everything except the highlighter. Just pick 2. It's going to be the simplest way to do so. The layout, you'll be able to see the difference when we go back and edit them, but the layout is like this. Fill is me filling up the entire space, and AI pretty much detects your face, so they'll be able to zoom in. Fit is your entire horizontal video fitting into the vertical space. So maybe if you already have text or a diagram or something you want to zoom out, that's going to be a really good one. So it's up to you. You can do both. I like to click both. Split is if you have a podcast, and this is just a perfect way to have both of the faces because it's AI. Sometimes it has really good split options. And I'm going to save the changes. Perfect. Okay, so they're not quite done yet, but they're just about to be. Yay, it's done. So I got the email. It says that your clips are ready, so I can totally step away if I need to. I'm going to show you how to edit all of. So let's start with this one. You can just simply play it, or right here on the lower right where it says edit clip, we're going to go to that one. Okay, so far it doesn't look bad. It's going to still have that green and yellow. What you're going to do is go into brand template and then click your default brand. Maybe I want to add a different highlighter word. Well, we can totally customize that again. So let's just say I want this, I want smaller fonts, and maybe I want it to fit, meaning I want it to zoom out. So let's take a look at that. I'm going to put save and compile, and then you'll be able to see the difference. Number one is that you don't need all the tech to start. In this day and age, you can start with simply your phone, and it's those $29 mics, and you just plug it into your phone, a tripod. Whenever you're ready, you click it and it starts recording. Order one of these are also like 20 bucks. Transfer your videos and all if you want to edit it on your computer. Again, you don't need a camera to start. And I really do believe this. While that loads, I want you to come up here. Let me show you. Right here, you see a number. Like, what the heck does this mean? Well, as you can tell, it says it's a viral score. The likelihood that this video will go viral on Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. I'm going to download it, and it's going to download higher quality. This is just a low resolution preview, but let's go to the next one. Let's see what they do. So I'm going to automatically change it to the brand. I like it. I'm satisfied. This video is only 6 minutes. It can't really pull from much. So you do have different compilations of the same video, but if you are creating videos that are 25 minutes, that's everything. It's literally going to be a game changer for you. Let's go to my account. So these are a few of the videos that I've been able to create. This AI feature just loves it because it has so much to pick from. And it also zoomed in to me because I had those 3 different settings, but it also zoomed out as you see. I have 5 tools that I want to share with you that made this journey more simple, especially because I'm not tech savvy and I was starting from scratch. Let me show you my favorite tools as a YouTube beginner. Okay, let's start with StreamYard. StreamYard is amazing. One of the reasons why I love it is because you can actually record. You see any of these videos right here, they're recorded videos. For example, this video right here, I am showing my screen, but also, and this is actually the video that got me 20 new subscribers because I really do believe it's the editing style. It gives my face, but it also gives the phone as the center focal point. I'm going to try something that I have never tried before, which is just choosing a file. Let's see what happened. It's uploading, and now we're going to get clips. So we'll be back and see how it works. Oh, did you see that change? Number 1 was, how do you want your audience to think about you? Number 2 is, how do you want them to feel when they come into contact with your business and brand? For me, I want my people to feel included and I want them to feel welcomed. When they come to me, I don't want them to feel intimidated. I've had RBF in the past and I don't want that. Ask yourself this. Do you want them to feel empowered, motivated, confident, inspired, entertained? And you can start implementing that. So I gave you a quick tour and I also told you that I made 70 videos in one afternoon. This is exactly how. Because if you take a look here, these first 2 rows, which is a total of 8 videos, all say June 4th. I'm not going to lie, I did watch 3 episodes of Selling Sunset, so a little bit less than 3 hours. And I was able to just grab, download, schedule a few on YouTube, like the actual YouTube, no outside apps. I scheduled a few on TikTok and I also scheduled a few on Facebook business page. I forgot what it's called. I haven't seen anything pop off on TikTok. I'm not going to lie. YouTube 100% works great there. That's okay. I still wanted to see how it does. I'll link everything below, including a few videos that have to do with TikTok algorithm, YouTube tools, and all of the videos that you watched today. I'll see you in the next video.